Hello, moneymakers. People are literally printing money on the internet by just being creative and uploading viral sticky animation on their YouTube channels and Instagram page. If you want, you can use this niche for TikTok creativity program as well. If you work hard and crack this code to generate viral animations, you can literally achieve your dreams. It can be buying your dream car, building a new house which you always dreamt of, or going on a vacation with your family. The possibilities are endless, and if you work hard enough, you can achieve all of them. My channel AI Maskman is filled with video that can share endless niche that you can work on, and trust me, I have put in hours of hard work so that we all can grow and get success together. To show you some proof that this niche works, you can check out this Instagram page. They have just uploaded 97 videos and have gained 150,000 followers. This channel named Rico Animation have gained 11 million subscribers on YouTube, and they making up to $10,000 per month consistently. If these channels can do it, you can do it too. I am here to give you all the help you need to grow in this niche. Settle down and grab some popcorns while I reveal the video creation process in detail for you. Let's get started. First of all, to create a video, you will need funny stories or funny conversations, and there are many ways to find such conversations. So the first option is ChatGPT. If you look at any of the sticky animation videos, you will notice that they are passing a message in a funny way. So we want a script that will be funny and convey a message too. Let's ask ChatGPT. I want to make short videos for YouTube that will be funny, but convey a message. The video format will be in conversation format. Can you please write some scripts for me? And there it is, ChatGPT provides some jokes that we can use in our video. Now, apart from ChatGPT, another option you have is Pinterest. Open Pinterest and search for funny conversations between two friends. You will find many images over here as well. Choose the one which you like and click on this link, and you will get your script. Other than that, you will also get such types of conversation in Quora as well. Open your browser and search for the funny conversations between father and son, or between two friends, or between boy and girl, and you will get all types of conversation from here. Just for the tutorial purpose, I will take any random story from ChatGPT. Sometimes ChatGPT gives a script in complex words, so I suggest you add your own humor and then use it in your video. Alright, now copy the script and paste it in Google Docs. Now let's move to the next step, which is voiceover. For the voiceover, you can use your own voice because that adds real feelings in the dialogue. Or if you are not comfortable in using your own voice, you can use AI as well. I will use 11 Labs. So let me explain how to generate voiceover. Open 11 Labs and go to the voice library. Choose conversational from this option. Then choose gender, age, language, as per your character. Choose the voice which suits your video. I will need to choose 2 character voices for my video. So let's choose one and add it in the voice lab. Then I will choose the second voice and add it into the voice lab. After that, go to the community section. Choose the voice of the first character and paste the dialogue. Hit generate and download. Then copy the second dialogue and hit generate. This way, keep generating and downloading the voiceovers for each part. Now choose the second character voice and follow the same process. Give each voiceover a number so that we can recall their order, which will make the editing process easy. So we have now successfully generated the voiceover. Now let's move on to the next step, creating animation. For this, open your browser and search for the Adobe YouTube animation. Click on the first link. It's completely free to use. In this tool, you will get a bunch of free characters from different categories to use. Similarly, you will find many options for backgrounds as well. And if you want, you can even download the video with a green screen and later remove the background in the video editor and add another background as well. Choose the one which you like. For the tutorial purpose, I will choose the sticky character, which is the same as the example channels, and which is trending now. However, you can choose different characters from here and create funny videos using your own creativity. The more humor you add to your script, the more success you will get in this niche. You do not have to follow all the exact steps which I showed you. Use your creativity and make better videos. I'm here to give new ideas. You can't just simply copy them and use it on YouTube. Use your creativity. Think the best that would entertain the audience, and you will rock in this game. Alright, once you choose the character, choose 9:16 ratio for the mobile video format. Adjust the size and position of this character as per your need to make it fit properly in the frame. After that, click on the browser and upload the first character voice track. So my first character is Alex. So let's upload Alex's first dialogue. You can also record your voice as well from here. Alright, our video is ready, let's download this. Now go back, select replace the audio. Now upload the second track of the same character. And download the video. This way generate video for all the tracks. I am going to create a sticky animation video, so I will use the same character for the second person as well. You can make the second one bigger or smaller so people will differentiate the character in your video. Now upload the first audio of second character. Then you do not have to directly download this. Open this video in Adobe Express. Then you will find the flip option in the left side. Flip the second character so that it will give an impression that the second character is looking or talking to the first one, as both are opposite to each other. And that way your video look more interesting. This way follow the same process and download all the video. Alright, now the animation work is also done. Download all the videos and organize them in number-wise on one folder, which will make your editing process easier. Wait. Do you know I can research on any channel ideas or niche and create a video tutorial for you? Yes, if you come across any channel that inspires you, you can mention hashtag AI Maskman and write the name of that channel in the comments and ask me to create a tutorial video for that channel. I will pick your comment using the hashtag feature and create a video for you on first come, first serve basis. Alright, our video is funny, so we also need funny sounds effects too. Open your browser and search for the funny sounds. You will find so many free websites from which you can download funny sound effects. Alright, now we need to assemble all the things in any editing software. I will use CapCut for this. Open CapCut. Import all the videos and sound effects. One by one, add the video in chronological order into the timeline.
Yep.
After that, click on text and add text box, and write the name of first character. Choose fonts and color. Now add another text box in second video, and add the second character name. Then copy the text box and add it into the all video, so people will recognize them easily and it will avoid any confusions, because you can't change the clothes using the Adobe free AI tool. So this way you can start your channel using free tools, and then once you get some traction on your channel, you can switch to the paid ones. As our video is about two different versions of the same character, so I will add some effects between every scene to make it understandable. Go to the effects and add flash and mix transition between each page. At last, add sound effects as where and when required. That's it, guys. This way you can create funny sticky animation video using free AI tools. Let's have a look to our video.
Why did the procrastinator cross the road?
I don't know, why?
To put off starting their project until tomorrow.
Ah, classic. So what's your plan for this big project due tomorrow?
I was thinking of making a time machine. Unfortunately, I'm fresh out of plutonium.
Or you could just start working on it now?
Start now? I haven't even done my laundry yet. Procrastination is an art form.
Oh, right. The procrastination shuffle. You know, where you dance around your responsibilities until it's too late.
Is that a real dance move?
Yep. It's called the last minute jigger move. Very popular, but not very effective.
So you're saying I should quit procrastinating and actually get to work?
Exactly. Or you could keep delaying and let your project surprise you at 3 a.m.
Okay, you win. I'll start now. Thanks for the push.
Anytime. Remember, procrastination is like a credit card. It's a lot of fun until you get the bill.